hungry. Hindi ako naghapunan kasi earlier, me and Ate Janice, we went to the town and we have lunch there. It was about like 12 o'clock. And pagdating ko dito sa bahay, busog ako. And ngayon na 9 o'clock na, gutom ako. What can I eat? Gosh, it's still raining mga loves. All day yung ulan ha. Naku, meron pa naman akong trabaho. Hopefully, hindi ako mabahaan nito kasi yung dinadaanan ko, sometimes pa yung yung drainage natatakpan ng dahon. That's why yung tubig na i-stack up doon sa road. Ay, naku naman. Anyway, what can I have? Let's have a look. There's pork pies. There's rice. Magra-rice na lang siguro ako din. Tapos magpiprito ako ng 2 itlog. Yeah. Yun na lang siguro. Para ma-ibsan yung aking gutom. Kasi hindi talaga ako makakatulog nito. And of course, hindi kaya na hindi ako kain. Kawawa naman si baby. Alam nyo, kanina, it's my first time to see Ate Janice na nag-drive since na nakapasa siya sa driving test niya. I'm so proud of her. Kasi, like, she did achieve so much.
Not exit this time, and I be barking like a trooper.
Hi! Don't say that. Can you hear the wind?
I will be doing it.
No, this wind.
Oh, that wind. You could have had a digestive. You could have some chocolate.
No, I want something.
You could have had you know, they won't offer this week, you know.
Huh?
They won't offer this week.
You need to eat them. Oh.
Pound.
A pound.
A pound of fat, yeah.
No, I was just saying to them that, you know, it's my first time to see Ate Janice driving earlier because we park on the same car park. And yeah, I was following her and it's like, okay, she's driving.
Slower.
No, a proper driver. But yeah, I was so happy to see her driving.
Just some more chocolate cake.
Have some more chocolate cake. Anyway, I will continue this vlog probably tomorrow. I don't know. I will have 4 consecutive days of work.
Are you at work tomorrow?
Yeah. So, of course, pag winter kasi limitado na talaga yung time mo kasi when you go to work, it's dark. When you come home, it's dark. So, walang masyadong ganap mga loves. Nakatambay ulit ako dito sa car park. Alam nyo, 5 minutes late akong nag-set off ngayon sa bahay. And, pagkadating ko dito talaga sa small car park, I went there, right on the back. And I have to reverse kasi walang parking. And then, nakita ko na may umalis. Sabi ko, thank you very much. I'll take that. I think yun na lang siguro yung gagawin ko, no? 5 minutes late ako magsiset off sa bahay. But it could be different days mga loves kasi today is Friday. And nakita ko na after kong makapag-park dito, there are few cars as well na nagsialisan. So, baka depende sa araw. Baka sinuwerte lang tayo ngayon. We'll see. Anyway, diba nung nakaraang araw nagpa-scan, nagpa-growth scan ako. Tapos yung growth scan, meron din siyang 4D na video, pictures, and all that. So, Sige na nga, ipapasilip po sa inyo yung mukha ni baby and mag-i-insert ako dito mga palangga. Alam niyo, nung makita ko talaga sa first time na naka 4-day yung mukha ni baby, sabi ko, ay, maiyak-iyak ako mga palangga. Sobrang emotional talaga ako. Parang tumulo nga yung luha ko. Parang, ay, yan yung anak ko. So, yeah, tingnan mo naman yung nose ng anak ko is kuhang-kuha talaga kay Jan. But yeah, nakakatuwa lang ba? Just, to see her like that is just so, it brings so much happiness in my heart. And iba na talaga yung nagagawa ng technology ngayon kasi nasa loob pa nga si baby, makikita mo na yung mukha. Kaya yan lang yung i-share ko sa inyo, isang picture lang kasi the rest are mine for my own keeping. Kasi meron ka din kasi nagtanong kung kamusta na yung growth scan and all that. Okay naman si baby. She is growing as she should. Akala ko nga si baby malaki siya sa akin. What I mean by that is malaki si baby para sa size ko. Kasi yun yung parang initial ng sabi ng midwife ko na baka daw malaki si baby para sa akin. Kaya there's a big possibility na isiis ako. Pero nung nagpa-private scan ako, sabi niya, she's not big sa size mo. She's growing as she should. Yeah, she is just in the middle. So sabi ko, oh, thanks God. So baka ma-push natin na normal delivery. Tapos sa NHS kasi hindi ako in-offer ng growth scan mga loves kasi hindi kasi ako high risk. Kasi sabi ko, nung last appointment ko, bakit ako hindi in-offer ng growth scan? So sabi niya is because you're not high risk kasi meron kasi silang mga parang assessment kung high risk ka ba or hindi. Pero of course, mini-measure nila yung belly mo. Measurement lang from yung pubic bone mo at dito na area. And measure niya, sabi niya, same din na in between si baby. Hindi malaki, hindi maliit. She is just growing nicely. So, then tapos meron silang parang graph na sinusunod kung magdi-deep down daw sa graph na yun. Of course, ano kanila, ipapa-schedule kanila ng growth scan. And tapos kung tumaas yung graph mo, like you go above the line na bakit nag-growth spurt si baby, ano ka rin nila, ipapascan ka rin nila, ipapag-growth scan. Pero at this moment, sabi niya, wait and see na lang. And yeah, just keep doing what you are doing right now because she's healthy and thriving in your tummy. Pero alam niyo mga loves, this is my least worry ha. Pero diba sabi ko noon na wala pa ako nakikitang stretch mark sa tiyan ko. Meron na ako nakikitang maliit na stretch mark dito near sa belly button ko pa. Dito talaga. Pero sabi ko, it will be worth it. Ito yung parang ano ko, scar, not scar, but parang tattoo for life ba, kumbaga. So, yeah, yun lang ma-share ko. And, papasok na ako mga loves kasi ano na yung oras dito. Mga 7:45 na ata. Malilit na ako, baka pagalitan na tayo. Come on! Hello! Kakadating ko lang talaga sa bahay mga loves. And update sa bahay. Look. Oh, is it not showing?
Well, you beat you left work and then I saw you.
Yeah?
And I saw you partway along and that was it.
And that's it. Anyway, look. Meron ng plaster.
Yeah.
Oh, are they gonna put some coating tomorrow? Oh, they're gonna finish this weekend.
Oh, we finished, yeah.
Yeah. Ah, very good. And sa utility sa dito, finish na sila. Pinapatuyo na lang yung nilagay nila na coating.
Welcome.
Welcome, hi.
Come to my room.
Yeah. So you've painted in here on the wardrobe. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's all done in there. Apart from the big right underneath.
So you don't need to have another coat in this
No,
one?
I think it's fine, is that?
It's fine.
Yeah, it's had a heavy coat. But what you can actually see, because it wasn't 100% dry, you can see the marks where the dabs are.
Okay.
Well, I'm not bothered because the wardrobes are going in, you see, so...
That's fine.
Yeah.
And I just, this one to do,
Oh,
and...
That's done.
I'm done.
Oh, the bathroom.
The bathroom.
That's not painted though, is it?
Yeah, the bathroom. Because we don't need to paint the bathroom, isn't it? Yeah. So just this one really now. In this area. It will be there, lovey. So we're getting the Christmas decoration out. Nandoon si Jan. Hindi ako mga loves. Hindi ako makapunta sa taas kasi natatakot ako. Alam mo naman yun. Medyo mataas yan. So dito lang tayo maghihintay. Ah! Your head.
Yeah.
I cannot reach it, darling. Is it heavy?
Heavy-ish.
Yeah. Ah!
Check if that's right. Has you got all the baubles in?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Thank you.
It's just them two, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
I know you had a box with that green thing in somewhere.
Yeah, thank you.
That'll do for now.
That's it for now, darling. Careful. Be careful. Oy.
Monsters up there.
Monsters, yeah, very scary.
Everywhere, for sure.
Thank you, Juan. So tomorrow we can start doing the house. Oh, did you hurt yourself? Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm going downstairs.
Which of them there?
Yeah, put it. Put it in there. So mamaya na.
You need to do some dusting before and washing before you do all.
I know. Oh wow. Oh, just this wall.
Yeah, that's better, isn't it?
That's good. And obviously the bathroom, we're not painting that.
No, that's not painted. That's going to be panels at some point.
That's good, sweetheart. You've been busy today.
Well, I've not painted that much. I've only painted from there and that, and then around that window, and that's been it.
Very good. You don't need to put another coat.
And so I cannot tell. It's good. It's right. It's on the money.
Okay, very good.
So I'll do that when it's dry now.
It doesn't smell like as dusty here now,
No, it won't.
isn't it?
Yeah.